Bye-bye, Karen. See you later. See you some. Buon appetito, Nikki, GR. We're having breakfast. You're welcome. And that's my food. Okay, kain na.
Antay, kasano ata ikatag?
Huh? Yeah.
Oh.
Welcome to my mansion.
Thank you, Ante.
In Toronto.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Our grand entrance.
Intro.
Yan ang mansion ko. Huwag kayong ano ha? Kasi mini man.
House.
You want a hat?
Oh, repeat.
1, 2, 3. Welcome to Auntie Daisy's house.
What?
Small house.
Small house.
You know?
Bata.
No. Oh.
Lagi niya antayin yung nagkuhan. Hindi na.
Bayamon, dito.
Hi, Tweety.
Oh.
Very upset.
Why so sad? Lalaki ba yan, Ante?
Sino?
Ayong Tweety mo?
Oh, di ko alam.
Ay,
Ito si Tweety yan. Ito si Green. Yan, ito.
Hi. Hi. Ay, may katigtaga rin.
Mawain.
Mabain.
Siguro sino kaya to?
Ay, nagkwa.
That's Nikki.
Dal kanyak ko na.
Hello. Last nabi.
Shishik mo ti ubod na.
Ay,
Pas lang ay aso.
Hi.
Sino kaya to? Kung kunana siguro.
Ay, dili sa mong sumbat ang tining. Ay,
Oh, just relax.
hello. Nag-cute mo nagkatitweety man tayo. Ay, kaya kumunti ka story. Manante, nagmayat. Nagdala ko medyo cottage yung matakad na niya. Bagay na tayo yung iklong ijali.
Have a seat.
Thank you, Ante.
Ito ang aming munting bahay. Dito sa Toronto.
Ante.
Have a seat. Relax.
Ante, nagmayat flowers. Ay, tika, Ante.
Rubber? I don't know the name.
Ha, pa dito eh. Namayat natin nga ako. Dumakal.
Yeah?
Yung na dito yun. Ay, damo gayang testimony. Oh,
Yeah.
Sabong lang tidulo dito eh. Sabong.
Yeah. Dito eh. Aduti. Mahilig ang amin ti plants. Here.
Yeah, plants in there.
Come here.
Sabi niya, it's like a forest daw.
It's okay.
Oh, nice, Ante. Oh, it's like a plastic.
Makarelax ka rin natin.
This is my money tree. Maliit pa yan noon.
This is money tree, Ante?
Yeah, money
That's why
tree.
siguro, so you have so much money.
I wish.
Because you have money tree.
Yan lang.
Wow, Ante. Ay, dito. Yeah, it's nice, Ante.
Yan lang ang ano ko, munting bahay namin.
Hanging sa mati.
Yung hangin niya.
Yeah.
And this one, you have this. Nagmaya. Oh, kita pa nag-flower.
Ha?
Did you bring everything?
Yeah. Why? We did not bring the $1 million.
This is garden. This is garden.
Too
The
many of
tulips.
those. Yes, ang ganun.
Ante, those flowers are nice, Ante.
That's tulips.
Tulips. Tulips, Ante, Dayjay?
Yeah, yeah.
What about this one, Ante? What
Tulips.
kind of, tulips? Oh.
Yung mga ayan, wala pang ano, the flowers, that's iris and peonies.
Ante. Nagayam na the flowers mo. We're going to the backyard.
This is the truck of Papa P.
Oh, yeah, Ante.
Yeah.
Oh, this is my toy.
Oh, yeah, Uncle.
Go.
This is your jet ski, Uncle. Oh.
I'm gonna sell it, but this is not no more time.
Oh. You didn't even once bring it to... You didn't even...
Yeah.
Did you bring there, Uncle?
Oh yeah.
Hey,
different lakes.
Nikki wants to ride in the towable.
Yeah, Uncle.
Oh, you're gonna be scared.
No, I'm not, Uncle. I know how to swim even before, you know. I used to swim in the Carian and in our river in the Philippines.
Karayan.
Ante, nosebleed ako.
Hey, be careful kasi may there's an animal that pooed in there.
Over there.
Ah, okay.
The-
It's too wet, so you don't walk. Your feet are gonna get wet. It rained a lot here.
It's okay. Okay, this is that's a cherry tree.
Which one, Ante?
Ayan. Oh,
The sweet cherry, Ante?
yeah. Ano kayo?
Oh, I
Just,
saw it in the video, Ante, before.
tignan mo lang. Just watch the steps. Kasi yung raccoon, I think it's a raccoon.
Maybe this year we have more cherries.
I don't know. See?
This is sweet cherry, Uncle?
Yeah.
The black ones. No, red. No,
The red.
black.
Yeah, red become a little dark.
Oh, yeah, Ante. The one that we can buy in the
Yeah.
market, Ante? This
Yeah,
is
yeah,
The one?
yeah. And this one
I
is
thought it's just a tree that a flower, you know.
No.
It has a flower, but then it's a cherry.
We planted this maybe I don't know, what 15 years ago.
It's
yeah.
so nice, Uncle.
It was small.
We plant this when we bought the house, the first year.
It used to be a big tree. I cut it and then we planted cherry tree.
Ah,
I have no trees, but everybody else. Too many trees.
Yeah, look at the trees. Look at the trees of the
oh,
neighbors.
Yeah, in the neighborhood. You see,
Yeah.
it's a lot.
So this is the blackberry. Blackberries yan.
Ah, this is your small garden, Ante, yeah?
Blackberries, raspberries, yun.
Oh, one Ante.
Ito blackberries too, to.
One blackberry data, Ante.
Yeah.
And then the other one, Ante, blueberry.
Ano, raspberry.
Raspberry.
I have to buy a blueberry. There yun, munting garden ko doon.
Ah, yun naman yung munting.
My vegetables garden there.
So we only have parsley, yeah?
Ha?
Parsley.
Yeah.
We can start picking.
Hindi pa ako.
Where's your parsley, Ante?
Nandyan na sa ano.
Ah,
And this is onions.
No.
No, this
garlic.
onion.
That is garlic.
Or garlic.
That is chives.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. What is that?
Flower yan. na naligaw.
Di ba balinday ito? Yun.
Yeah, that was, I planted that last year. Oh, nabuhay sa winter.
Dyan na.
Ay, numatay ante ko ulit.
Yeah, na winter ka nabuhay eh. So, I have to plant more parsley kasi mahal din yan eh.
Diba? Muna kaya, agwakamot ka.
Yeah.
Ang corn ng mulam di Pilipinas ay. Parsley, dito yun.
Mula lang sa papang tikorn dito, di ba?
Nagmula na.
Oh yeah?
Basit lang.
Labastin.
So this is another.
Why didn't
So-
record Ante?
so mana, oh.
Let's...
No, I think
Ante, this is cherry. Right, Ante?
one cherry tree.
Cherry tree. Nagmayat.
Maganda
Ante,
yan,
I thought
oh.
it's just a tree. Ordinary tree.
No, that's cherries. I hope this year, I hope the fruits will, I hope this year will have more fruits than
Yeah.
last year. I don't know, it depends the weather. Kung malamig.
But I
there.
watched Ante the video na yung mga anak ni Kuya Gerald. Umululi da.
Oh,
Nagad-ado nga cherry di dyan.
yeah, that year was, there's a lot. There
There's
was
a
a
lot,
lot,
yeah.
yeah. Oh.
Let's go to Auntie Daisy's small garden.
A small garden. Hindi pa kami masyadong nakapaglinis. kailangan pinapower wash namin yun eh.
Ante.
Pero pag na ano yan, na mower, maganda, napakaganda.
Yeah, but you have a huge.
So those are parsley I planted last year, and they survived in the winter.
Yeah, ante. And this is maybe like
Mang pitas ka. And you have to smell it. It smells good. Diba?
garlic. This is
Garlic
garlic.
yan?
Garlic.
Ito ang garlic. Ewan ko. Kunchay. Kinchay.
What do you call this, ante?
Chives.
No,
Chives?
it's not chives, ante.
No?
No,
What? I don't know.
it's garlic maybe.
Oh, pwede nang anuhin yan pag summer. Ito, I planted this is grapes.
Grapes.
Oh, yeah, grapes.
Oh yeah. There is
Pero I have to fix that. Kalatkat.
ante, nagkakakat.
Yan, oregano yan, oregano. Yan, that's oregano.
Is this the one oregano, ante?
Yeah.
And this is what is this, ante?
Parsley.
Parsley. Oh yeah, that's parsley.
Yeah, that's another kind of parsley. There's another one.
That one, ante. It's
Ah,
a parsley.
no.
Celery, right?
No, that's flower.
That's a flower.
Tumubo lang mga yan.
I thought it's celery. It looks like celery.
No. I planted celery, but they don't survive in the winter. So yan, this is the cherry. Ano to?
Kalaabono man to atang.
Meron bang to? Flower? No.
I don't think there's a flower.
But that's a seed, see?
Yeah.
So ito, lilac. Nakalimutan ko pangalan niya. Rose, Sharon. Ano ba yun? Rose of Sharon, I think. I forgot the name. Daming tumutubo.
I've survived di Pilipinas, ante.
I tried to bring seeds. Pero wala
But
naman.
it didn't survive, ante.
Pero I don't know kasi hindi naman nila tinanim. I think. Yeah.
Maybe if it's
So
summer.
this one, it's all flowers that. Pero katutubo lang eh.
Nakawati backyard mo, ante. Balik
Yeah, nalawa. So hindi ko pa nalinisan yan kasi malamig pa. So I usually put my, ano ba yan? I usually put my patio chairs. So nandun pa sa basement.
Ante. Naglawa. Ay, you know what, ante? Pasit lang ti kami jay London. Ano nga.
Yeah, napakalaki.
Ako naglawa ka rin.
So this is worth a lot of money anyways. Kasi they can build a big house. Look at that big house. See, that's new house in there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a new house.
It's
So,
like you can extend
yeah.
here, ante, around here.
Yeah, if I win $1 million. If I win $1 million, I'll just extend here. That's it. I don't like big house. You know. 3 bedrooms, finished basement. That's good enough, right?
Yeah.
It's nice to have a big backyard anyway, so. Yeah, mga tulips.
Tulips, flowers are coming
Pero,
out.
you know, the grass, when Papa P cuts this, it's very, very beautiful.
Ante.
So, pero wala pang time.
Time.
Yeah, ito naman.
Mower ko na.
So, ano pa yan? Kasi I did not clean yet. Kasi malamig. And, syempre,
Ante.
Cottage.
Wala ka tilikod mo niyan, ante.
yeah. So, yeah, they play volleyball.
And you're
Here,
close by to
Gerald, Subway.
Subway in Filipino market.
Yeah, and there's a Costco there.
Yeah, Costco. What?
Costco, Home Depot, and Jollibee. Merong Jollibee dyan. Yeah, may Jollibee doon.
You're very close to Filipino community.
Yan.
Is it same size, Uncle?
Yeah, it's almost.
No,
yeah,
they said this is bigger. That's what they
it's
said.
only a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's more bigger.
So ito, ipa-power wash pa ito eh. Kasi in the winters, siyempre,
Yeah, well and take.
pa-power wash. So yan ang laundry. Hindi ko napapakita kasi
It's fine, Uncle.
may laundry basement. Pero unfinished basement. This is not a picture.
It's a video, Ante. It's a vlog.
Okay, welcome,
Thank you for the
Vicky
good
and
food, Ante Abby.
GR and our home in Toronto. And thank you for my sister for the looks good lasagna.
We'll see.
That's my
We'll see.
that's my brother-in-law favorite.
We'll see.
Thank you, Ante, for that.
Okay, Nikki, masarap ang lasagna.
Sarap, Ante.
Enjoy.
Kasanya ni Tita Elde.
Thank you, Ante.
That's my sister. My husband.
Maybe you guys wanted the Filipino food there.
We went there.
Barbecue.
We went
Barbecue's
there.
good.
Buon appetito, everyone.